Jen, how did you go with the Melbourne Blooms? These two paintings look absolutely awesome. Is this a different painting outcome to what you've had before?
Oh, absolutely, 100%.
Wow.
I've never painted in such a size, detail, absolutely.
Okay, so what have you done before? Were you picking up YouTube tips and stuff?
Yeah, YouTube watercolours and gouache, just
Yep.
dabbling there, very abstract.
Okay, cool. So you've really had to learn structure.
I absolutely did, yes, and it was amazing.
Yeah, I think you've achieved a really high quality with your work. Awesome.
you.
And they're just so beautiful, and wouldn't be surprised if you have people after you for those beautiful paintings. Well
Thank
done.
you, and if I could say a million thank yous to Jack. She truly is amazing. I have high expectations, so I was probably a difficult client. But all in all, these 4.5 days were absolutely amazing. The food, it was great. And the beautiful souls that came this
Yeah.
last week, we were all really chuffed. So thank you, Jack.
Thank you. It's my pleasure. I've absolutely enjoyed it. And so thrilled we got through without any interruptions and that dreaded bloody pandemic, hey?
I know, we got there.
We got there. So good. Congrats. Just so thrilled for you.
Thank you.